जी अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आप देख रहे हैं इंग्लिश इजी ट्रिक्स विद मोहम्मद शुएब। तो ये जो पोएम है टू मदर्स रिमेम्बर्ड, तो इसकी ज़रा हम पैराफ्रेजिंग देखते हैं। देखें, पैराफ्रेज वन है। सबसे पहले तो पैराफ्रेजिंग के बारे में याद रखें कि पैराफ्रेजिंग होती क्या है। जिस तरह एक्सप्लेनेशन होती है, जिस तरह समरी होती है, एक्सप्लेनेशन में आपने उसी चीज़ को बढ़ा के लिखना होता है, समरी में आपने उसी चीज़ को कम करके लिखना होता है। पैराफ्रेजिंग का मतलब होता है उसी चीज़ को आपने अपने अल्फाज में लिखना है। सिंपल, ना तो कुछ बढ़ा के लिखना है, ना ही कुछ कम करके लिखना है, सिर्फ आपने वही चीज़ आपने अपने अल्फाज में लिख देनी है। ठीक है, स्टैंजा वन को देखते हैं। आई हैड टू मदर्स I claim, two different people yet with the same name, two separate women, diverse by design, but I loved them both because they were mine. ठीक है, अब पैराफ्रेजिंग देखें। आई कंसिडर टू वीमेन एज माई मदर्स। ठीक है, ऑल दो दे वर डिफरेंट इंडिविजुअल्स विद द डिस्टिंक्ट पर्सनैलिटीज, they shared the same name. Despite their differences, I loved and accepted them both equally because they were important to me and played a motherly role in my life. सेम वही चीज़ लिखी हुई है, किसी भी चीज़ के बढ़ाने की या कम करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है। अब देखते हैं स्टेंजा टू। द फर्स्ट वॉज द मदर हु कैरिड मी हेयर, gave birth and nurtured and launched my career. She was one whose features I bear, complete with the facial expression I wear. अब देखें, my first mother was one who gave me life and helped me grow into the person I am today. I inherited her physical appearance, including her facial features and expression, which are now a part of who I am. ठीक है, सेम वही चीज़। स्टैंजा थ्री को देखते हैं। शी गेव हर लव which follows me yet, along with examples in life that she said, as I got older, she somehow younger grew, and we would laugh as just mothers and daughters do. अब देखें, my first mother's love has stayed with me throughout my life, and I have also followed the good examples she set for me. As I grew older, our relationship changed, and she seemed to become younger and more carefree. We were able to laugh and enjoy each other's company like friends, just like many mothers and daughters do. Stanza 4. But then came the time and her mind clouded so, and I sensed that the mother I knew would soon go. So quickly she changed and turned into the other, a stranger dressed in the clothes of my mother. अब सेम यही चीज़ आपने अपने अल्फाज में लिखनी है। उसमें स्टेंजा में क्या होता है, पोएट्री में काफ़िया रदीफ राइमिंग स्कीम होती है, इसमें आपने पैराग्राफ में लिख देना होता है। But then my mother's mental health declined, and I realized that the mother I knew was fading away. She transformed rapidly into someone new, almost unrecognizable, a stranger wearing my mother's familiar face and body. Stanza 5. Oh, she looked the same, at least at arm's length, but now she was a child and I was her strength. We had come full circle, we women three, my mother, the first, the second, and me. Although my mother still looked similar from a distance, her personality, and behavior had changed so much that she became like a child, and I had become her sport and caregiver. This marked a complete turn into a relationship connection. Three generations of women, my mother before her decline, my mother after her decline, and me now taking on a new role. ये लास्ट स्टेंजा है इसका। एंड इफ माई ओन चिल्ड्रन शुड come to a day when a new mother come and the old goes away, I would ask of them nothing that I didn't do. Love both of your mothers as both have loved you. अब इसको देखें। इफ माई own children ever face the similar situation where their mother changes due to the age or illness, I would ask them to do what I did, love and accept both versions of me just as I loved both versions of my own mother. तो होपफुली आपको समझ आई होगी, तो सब्सक्राइब और लाइक ज़रूर कर दीजिएगा। थैंक यू सो मच।